Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will introduce a new facial recognition technology when it is launched by the company, according to a tipster. At present, even flagship Samsung smartphones do not feature a dedicated sensor, compared to Apple's Face ID, which is powered by its true depth camera as well as additional sensors. Face ID has remained the gold standard for facial recognition technology on mobile devices for nearly 8 years. But that may soon change, with a tipster now claiming that Samsung is working on a Face ID competitor that could arrive on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In a post on Twitter, tipster Hizaki Ryuhei suggested that Samsung may be developing a new facial recognition technology called Polar ID. As per the claims, the technology has reached the pre-market stage, meaning it could be ready to be shipped with smartphones. As per the tipster, Polar ID does not require dedicated sensors for facial recognition. Instead, it relies on the Snapdragon chipset, along with the capabilities of Samsung LSI, the division which designs core semiconductors. Furthermore, it would allow Samsung to keep the same hole punch design without needing to add additional sensors. It is also suggested that the ISOCELL Vision 931, a global shutter image sensor which offers precise motion tracking, might be production-ready and could be used on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Ryuhei also claimed that Polar ID will be even more secure than Face ID, emphasizing that it would be better than other facial recognition technologies around. However, another tipster named Sawyer Galax contradicted these claims, suggesting that the technology isn't ready yet and only the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature it, which is speculated to launch in early 2026. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.